Tell me she does not crack you out. Watch this. Puppy! Hey! What are you doing? What? Where's your baby? 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 I can't even get her on camera. She's like so hard to get. Where's your baby? Go get it. Go get it. Where is it? Go get it. Go get it, puppy. Go get it, baby. Go get it. Go get it. Is this your baby? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where's your baby?
Guys. How's he gonna get out?
He's gonna take the green.
Go get it. Good girl. Good girl. You little lazy ass. What was that? What was that? You're so cute. Okay, now, just so everybody can see, this is like the face of a violent, evil, abused pit bull. Look at her. She's evil. She's a killer. She's a killer. Look at her. Okay. She hates her collar. It's not fleas. I swear to God. She just really hates his collar. She refuses to walk. She just, like heaven, like my husband says, heaven is a mattress, okay? That's literally, this dog thinks heaven is a mattress. I can't get her off this bed. Look at her. Acting crazy. Like, she's just, give me this. I'll beat you. Give me this. I'll beat you in tug of war. I'm going to win. Nope, you're beating me. Nope. So, we adopted this adorable little baby from the Humane Society in Topeka, Kansas. Well, unfortunately, these horrible human beings think it's a good idea. Like, pit fighting isn't bad enough. Like, that's not bad enough. Like, they have to go a step lower in Topeka. So, what they do is they take little baby puppies like her, and they starve them, beat them, abuse the living crap out of them, and then use them as bait dogs for fighting pits. So, anybody thinking of moving to Topeka, Kansas, guess what? If you have a dog or a cat, I suggest you pick another state. Because what they like to do is they'll go spray paint your yard, a little spot that you don't even notice. And it signals other scumbags and lets them know, hey, there's an animal in here to steal and use as a bait animal. So, what they'll do is they will happily steal your pet and let it be used as bait to make the pit bulls they fight more evil and aggressive, which is fucking disgusting. So, yeah, this is little Miss Harley, and she's a little love. I got some pictures and videos of her before, but I mean, I finally got her to play. Like, you see that scar on her nose? Look at that. On baby skin. Yes, you do. What? Oh, you're a love. This is the most she's gotten to do, and as fat as I could get her. I have been feeding this dog nonstop. She was about 8 pounds when I got her a week ago. I know you can't exactly see, but I promise you she's definitely not 8 pounds now. Look at that fat belly. Look at that fat belly. Give me this. I'm beating you. I'm going to beat you in tug of war. Yep, I win. So, this is little Miss Harley. She's so cute. So, my little survivor Harley. Look at her. Such a sweet baby. How could anybody be mean or nasty to her? She's so sweet. Look at her. How could you not love her? How could you not love this baby? Oh, there she goes. Okay, the toy probably doesn't love her. Yes, the toy probably doesn't love you. I'm sorry. Oh, she didn't like that. She's like, oh, well. I love you. I love you. What a baby. Did she just plop over? Oh, my God. How does anybody not think she's like the cutest freaking thing in the universe? I'm just saying. I'm not even being like biased. And I adore her little like floppy ears. I swear to God, it's like little pigtails. So Harley was perfect for her because she's got her little like blonde pigtails. And look at her. Oh my effing God. Okay, so yeah. Haha, Topeka, you guys didn't get one less dog that you got to abuse. Fuck you. And oh yeah, and the Humane Society was even terrible, like scared to even give her to us because they said. They were like, look, we can't even guarantee her health. As you can see, I got this baby very healthy. She won't walk though. She will not go on for a walk. Look at her. Oh, this is the first toy she's ever had. First love she's ever had. So what she does is she's like, okay, well, being a dog didn't work out for me. So I want to be part of this pack. So what she does is she sleeps with her head on a pillow and likes the blanket up to her waist. I swear, it is so adorable. What are you doing? Okay, well, you know, you're looking very violent for the world right now. Literally, you're supposed to be my poster child for how pit bulls are sweet, even if they were abused, and to give them a second chance. And look at you. You murderer. You murdered a baby. You're murdering the stuffing, too. Baby. Baby. Hello.